Hey guys, welcome back to our Computex 2024 coverage, and right here with me is the ASUS TUF Gaming A14 gaming laptop. Now all this while, we have always thought that ASUS TUF gaming laptops have this very mecha design, cyberpunkish design with some cheap materials here, but the TUF Gaming A14 here is a totally new breed as it is a very premium looking laptop. Now this entire laptop is made out with aluminum chassis and all that, and what's most impressive here is that for a 14-inch gaming laptop, it weighs very lightweight at just 1.46 kilograms, and it packs quite the punch of firepower. It is powered by up to an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor. Graphics power is also powered by up to an RTX 4060 laptop GPU with a 100-watt total graphics power. Now, of course, despite being a really compact and slim laptop, port selection is not compromised on this laptop. Now, I do realize that ASUS has been using this new charging standard on the TUF Gaming A14. It is now a squarish port instead of the barrel port that we used to see on gaming laptops. You get a full-size HDMI port, USB-Cs on each side that supports USB 4.0 speeds, USB-A ports on each side as well. But what I am finally impressed here is that ASUS has finally given the TUF Gaming A14 a micro SD card, which is something that has been missing all this while. And also we get a webcam on the top here, which I assume is a HD quality webcam. I do hope that it's the full HD one. Now you can, of course, let's try to see if you can. Yes, you can actually turn it to a 180-degree screen angle. This is definitely something new for the TUF Gaming laptop series, because all this while you can only just open up like this. So if you simply just want a laptop that's for both work and gaming, the TUF Gaming A14 is probably something that you should consider. Now, of course, in terms of price, I do not have anything just yet, but I hope this will be released in Malaysia really soon, because this is definitely something really exciting that I'm looking forward to. And yeah, by the way, this thing here is a 14-inch 2.5K display with a 165Hz refresh rate. That is just nuts for this laptop. All right, so that's pretty much for this TUF Gaming A14 laptop. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos coming right up, and I will see you in the next one.